guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig review on this unit that I have on right now, and this is the Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Vixen Wig, 100% premium fibers, and I have it in the style Vixen Yaki 24, and I have the color 1B30. And this wig is marketed as a 4-way parting, endless styling possibilities. It says that you can create ponytails, top knots, updo styles, space buns, half up styles, and Dutch braids, and more. So first I want to talk about the construction of the wig. I'm going to insert a video of how the inside of the wig looks. This wig feels super secure. I mean, if I were to yank it, it would definitely come off, but it's secure enough for me. I'm not currently using the clips, but I am using the adjustable straps, which I've linked together so it'll make like a tighter loop back there. It's kind of like if you were to sew the elastic band on there. That's what it feels like to me. But anyway, I'm not using the clips, but there are 2 clips here in the front and 2 clips on the side by the ear tabs, and there's also 2 in the back. Now this wig says that it has baby hairs. That's supposed to be the baby hairs right there. I've yet to find any baby hairs on this wig. But I guess you just gotta dig in there. I was making some, so you can see like a little bit where I kind of cut some out myself to make baby hairs. But anyway, this wig, I would say that if you want to wear this wig, you would definitely have to glue it down, because see, I don't have the ear tabs down, but I feel like even if you didn't have the ear tabs down, this part would fly up. Moving on from the construction of the wig, we're going to talk about what the wig's features. So it says that it features soft, comfortable Swiss lace material. Now I could challenge that, because this lace feels pretty rough against my skin. It's not like unbearably rough, but I think that it could be a little softer. I've had softer Swiss lace. So the next thing is that you can change styles frequently and quickly. I think that that could be true only if you were to glue your wig down, because as you can see, it does all of that if you're not gluing it down. It's a protective style, no leave out necessary. I completely agree with that. Hand tie lace with pre-plucked parting. Now I think the parting space looks amazing. I didn't have to pluck any of it, and it's just really nice. It's not super wide, but as you can see, it just looks super clean. It's not dense, it's not filled with strands of hair, and I can just make a nice clean part. So I agree with that as well. It says baby hair along the nape and the hairline. Like I said earlier, I've yet to find any baby hairs on this wig. I had to create my own. And the last feature is very secure. I do agree with that. It has 6 combs plus adjustable straps. And yes, this wig is super secure. On a scale of wearability, if you're going to glue this wig down, I would say that it's a 5 out of 5. But if you're just going to wear it like this, maybe 3 out of 5, just in case the wind's blowing a little too hard and your ear tab fly up. So if you're going to wear this wig, I would suggest gluing it down. Now I want to move on to the fibers. How is this hair holding up? Now I've been wearing this, as you can see now, I've been wearing this for about almost 2 weeks, going on 3 weeks, and the 100% premium fibers, they are definitely not anything like human hair blend or quality like human hair. It's been bundling up, and it kind of looks like a little nest at the end, but I mean, I fixed that by putting a little heat on it, but you definitely know that it's a synthetic wig. I feel like if this wig was made with human hair or more human hair quality hair, it would be amazing. It would be a 10 out of 10, but the fibers are really not that great. Now, I got this wig at my local beauty supply store. It was $70, but it was on sale for 40% off, so I got it on a nice Christmas sale. I don't think that the wig is worth $70. I would say the parting is nice. Everything is nice about it. The only reason why I would say that this is not worth $70 is because of the hair. The blend, the synthetic blend, is just not worth $70. Like, I mean, I just put this wig on for this video. I did my makeup without my wig on, and I put it on, and it's just getting kind of rusty. But I really like the wig. I really want to give it a chance. I feel like once I learn how to glue it down, everything should fall into place with the wig. But for the most part, I'm in love with this wig. I love the color. I wanted to try a new, like some color for the new year, because I usually do black wigs, and black, I mean, it's my natural color, but sometimes you want to throw a little pizzazz in. But as you can see, this is me combing the hair. I'll insert more clips of me combing through the hair. So would I suggest this wig to anyone? Yeah, I would suggest it. I would see if I could find it at a cheaper price. So my overall rating for this wig would be a 6 out of 10. Just because I don't appreciate this part flying up. I feel like even if I had the ear tabs down, which I don't have any hair for the ear tab to go on to, I feel like this part will still fly up and expose me. And you know, you don't need to be getting exposed with your lace front on when you're out here looking cute and your lace front just pop up on you. That takes away 2 points for me. And also the texture of the fibers and just the quality of the fibers itself is 2 points deducted as well. So I will give this a 6 out of 10. Would I recommend it to anyone? Yeah, I would recommend it. Maybe just have a flat iron. If you're going to do this wig, have a flat iron. Know how to glue a wig now, because you might need to have some glue ready. Know how to glue a wig down, because you might need to glue this baby down. And then, yeah, I think anyone could enjoy this wig. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions about the wig, just leave them down below. If you want me to do an update in a few months and see how it's holding up, let me know that in the bottom as well. In the bottom as well, in the comment section as well. Excuse me, I'm sorry, this wig done got me all discombobulated. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, honeys.